Hi there. Thank you for joining me again on our reading lesson program. I call it Reading with Miss Gina because I am Miss Gina, and hopefully I'm going to help you learn some ways that you can read anything you want for the rest of your life. Yeah, really. It first starts with knowing your sounds, which hopefully you've learned some either with me or somebody else. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take sounds that you know and we're going to put them together. And so, for example, if I said to you, I, you might be a little confused. What? I think she's trying to say hi to me, but I'm not sure, right? So, when we talk, we put all these sounds that we know together, right? We put them together so that we can let other people know what we mean. And when we write things down, like what you see on the page there, that's to tell people what we're trying to sound out. So in this lesson, what I want you to practice is putting those two sounds together. And I'm going to go through it with you, but think of it for a second. If I said I instead of hi, it would be a little confusing for you, right? So this is going to help you start practicing how to join those two things together. Hi. Okay. A lot of times I'm going to be looking down because I have to do the computer and I'm using a pen here to point and click the button for the next page. Okay. But I'll be with you. All right. So the first things I want you to take a look at are, let me get a pointer here for you. I'm sorry for the delay. Here we go. I'm just going to be a spotlight. So I'm going to say the sounds and then I'm going to have you say them with me. Okay, here we go. So we got ah, eh, and it. Now you say them, please. Yeah, very good. If you didn't remember them, that's okay. Just go ahead and look again. You're just learning, right? You can't remember everything all at once, no matter how good a memory we have. Okay, so the other sounds are t, n. Let me go back here on these two. So the is kind of like that was good. Closing your mouth. And then this one for nest or no is going to be more like you put. So pretend my thumb is your tongue, right? So your tongue could go up there. No. Or a nest. Okay. All right. So the next one we have is and okay, so your turn. We have turtle, monkey, nest, fish, sun, pear. All right, awesome. Okay, now here comes the one where sometimes kids have trouble with this. So it's where your tongue is right here. Almost like no, but we're not doing no here. We're just using it for other things. Okay. So new color because I like to switch it up. And I think I'm going to go with an orange. Let me circle the sound that we're going to start with is All right. And here we go. Follow along. Hold it. Nah. Good. Remember to hold it until we get to the last sound. Okay. Nah. And that's what I meant by the last sound, the one we're heading towards. Nah. 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 Great. Okay. Now we're going to do a little quicker. Nah. 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 Great. And one more time. Na, na, ni, na, ne. Beautiful. I know it's beautiful. Even though I don't hear you, I know you're trying. Okay, here's the next set in the blue. We're going to head towards the n. So ah is going to be held. Is going to be held. We're going to hold on to them. I, ah, eh. These things are fun. I'm going to clear this off though. And here we go. An, un, in, on, n. N, that's the letter. But the sound is n. All right, we're going to do that again. Are you ready? I think so. An, un, in, on, n. Beautiful. I'm going to clear that off. And here we go. One last time for us together. Again, you can practice as much as you like. Here we go. Ready? An, un, in, on, n. Yay!